Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to create space on Android phone so you can stop worrying about storage warnings. This tutorial will guide you through using a built-in tool to safely remove unnecessary files that are slowing down your device. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to go to the Google Files app, which is a powerful management tool usually pre-installed on most modern Android devices. This application is essential for organizing your data because it provides a clear overview of what is taking up room on your internal storage. Step 2 is to then go to the 3 horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the screen to open the main navigation menu. Accessing this sidebar is important because it allows you to switch between different management modes, like browsing your folders or cleaning up your system. Step 3 is to then click Clean from the menu options to activate the Automated Storage Assistant. This feature is incredibly useful because it scans your entire phone to find temporary data and cache files that you no longer need for daily operation. Step 4 is to then look at the Junk Files category and click Clean to remove temporary app data and system logs. Doing this is a safe and effective way to reclaim gigabytes of space without deleting any of your important personal photos or documents. Step 5 is to delete duplicates by reviewing the suggestions provided by the app to remove identical copies of the same files. Cleaning out these repeated images or videos is a great way to optimize your library and ensure that your phone runs at its best performance. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful mobile tips.